Hey everyone, check out this classic JH design group, Mustang Hoodie that combines style with ultimate comfort. Crafted from a soft cotton and polyester blend, this sweatshirt feels great against your skin all day. The high-quality Ford Mustang graphics make a bold statement for any automotive fan or casual wearer. You get a functional zip-up front and 2 front pockets to keep your hands warm. Stretchable knit cuffs and a flexible waistband ensure a perfect regular fit for your daily errands. The attached drawstring hood adds a cozy layer of protection during those chilly winter months. This black hoodie delivers unparalleled charm and style without compromising on your personal comfort. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.